next guest. Sada, come here. Sadiq. Very good. I'm going to have you and Kimberly both hold your microphones closer to your mouths.
Yes.
Only simple question. I'm from Kyrgyzstan. I cannot talk very well.
Here's a simple question. How do you feel about tonight? What do you think about tonight?
Because 3 years ago, I don't think.
Меня зовут Садык Шернияз. Я представляю Кыргызстан на этом кинофестивале, а также являюсь одним из основателей Азиатского кинофестиваля. 3 года назад я и представить не мог, что это получится сделать.
And with our team, this film festival rising, and with your help, thanks for your help. It's really in my country, they don't believe in first time when I come from LA and said in film festival, I found that film festival, Asian World Film Festival, and they not believe me. And now I see really now this film festival rising and getting better.
Are you amazed at how much it's grown in just 3 short years?
Oh,
the growth, how big it's become.
Yeah, of course, of course, yeah, of course.
Well, very good. Enjoy tonight. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to see you again.
I was going to say, Jackie has a very significant tattoo in her back, and I thought maybe it would reveal things about Stranger Things.
I'm addicted to that series. It's amazing.
Coming, and we're getting their cards together and everything else. And here comes one. I'm going to dash out for 1 second.
Okay.
Do that, like, so you really see it.